Today's video breaks down the best Raiz Invest alternatives in Australia for anyone looking to diversify, reduce fees, or gain more control over their investment strategy. Raiz is popular for its roundup features and automated ETF portfolios, but several strong platforms offer more flexibility, broader asset choices, or lower costs. One major alternative is Spaceship. It provides simple, tech-driven portfolios that focus on innovative companies around the world. The interface is easy to navigate, making it ideal for beginners who want exposure to high-growth sectors without managing individual picks. Its low-fee structure and transparent reports make it a solid passive option. Another strong choice is Canva Pocket. This platform gives users access to themed ETF options using a simple mobile-first design. It's suitable for people who want more control than Raiz offers while still keeping the process easy. The investment themes include sustainability, technology, and global markets, allowing users to choose portfolios that match their interests. For those who prefer full control and direct access to the market, SelfWealth stands as a reliable brokerage alternative. It offers a flat-fee trading model and access to both Australian and US shares. This is a practical option for investors who want to build their own portfolios instead of relying on automated investment baskets. Another option to consider is Perler, a long-term investing platform built around set-and-forget strategies. It's ideal for people focused on financial independence and consistent contributions. Its automation tools and community-driven approach encourage steady investing habits. Finally, Stake offers an avenue for Australians who want deeper exposure to US markets. The platform focuses on simplicity, fast onboarding, and easy access to global companies, making it appealing to users who want a broader international reach. Each of these platforms brings unique strengths depending on your investment style, level of experience, and long-term goals.